generally table height is around 750 mm. So we can change this in our family types. So let's change the table height to 750 mm. Perfect. We also need our table depth or thickness. So let's create a reference plane here. And let's call this the table thickness. Perfect. So now let's go back to our floor plan and let's create our extrusions. So let's go to create, click on extrusion. Make sure to select pick lines and activate lock as well. Then select these reference planes here. Trim them. And then click on finish edit mode. Now we need to lock them in the front view as well. So go to the front view and lock them up on top and lock them down as well. Perfect. Now table thickness can be around 50 mm. Perfect. So now we can create our legs. We can place our legs here. So let's go to create and then click on extrusion again. And this time I'm going to select circle option. Now what we need to do is make sure we select the intersection point and go out a bit. And then what we also need to do is parameterize this circle. So if you want to parameterize the circle, you'll need to add a dimension to the circle. We'll add a diameter dimension. So to add a diameter dimension, you will find your dimensions here and then click on diameter dimension and select your circle. So we've added a dimension. Now you can select this dimension and make it parametric. So let's call this the legs dia. Perfect. Now if you want to reduce the size of your text, you can change your scale to 1:10. So that works better, and then click on finish edit mode. So we've added one circle. We'll need to add the other circles here as well. What you can do is you can actually edit the circle here. So let's click on edit extrusion and let's select the circle along with the dimension here. Click on copy, select the center point and then place it on all the intersections. Perfect. And then click on finish edit mode. Now let's go to the front view. And in the front view, we need to lock our legs to the reference plane above. So make sure you drag this point all the way to the reference plane here and lock it in place. Similarly, this reference plane here as well.